In this video, we are going to discuss example program for if else. This conditional control statement or decision control statement. The problem given here is two variables are given m and n. We are supposed to check which one is greater or whether both the numbers are equal. Okay, so both this m and n variables are integer variable. Get the value for the integer variable. And then using this check whether m is greater or n is greater or both m and n are equal. Okay, so based on the structure of C program. Okay, so first we have included pre-process statement. Declaration, input, output and processing statements are included within this main function. Here first comes your declaration statement. What are the two variables we are going to declare? M and n. Both the variables are integer variables. So int m comma n. Okay, so if we have list of variables are separated by comma. We have list of two variables m and n separated by comma. Okay, so the semicolon is statement terminator. And then get value for, once declaration is over, get values for the variable you are using inside the program. We need to get value for m and n. Using this scanf function, I'm going to get value for this m and n using the control string %d. This control string is to get value for m. This is to get value for n. Okay, in the memory address allocated for m, get one value. The memory address allocated for n, get the value for variable n. The scanf statement is to get value for this variable m and n in the memory address allocated for m and n using the control string %d and %d. Okay, once you got the value for m and n, we are supposed to check which one is greater. For this, I'm going to use if statement if m is greater than n. Okay, so if the condition is satisfied, what is the meaning? M is greater. Okay, so I'm going to write a printf statement or output statement stating that m is greater, or if the condition is not satisfied, then I'm going to check for next condition. Next condition is given in else, if else blank space if. What is the next condition? I'm going to check whether n is greater than m. Okay, when we evaluate this condition, if the condition is evaluated to be true, meaning that n is greater. Okay, so if n is greater, if the condition is true, then I'm going to print n is greater. Then if this condition is not satisfied, then comes your else part. Else part is executed when both the conditions specified in if and else if is evaluated to be false, then automatically it goes to the else part. Okay, in the else part, what is the printf statement we can give? This condition is not satisfied, meaning that m is not greater. This condition is also not satisfied, meaning that n is also not greater value, meaning that both m and n is equal. So in the else part, we are printing the statement m and n are equal. The problem given is whether we have to find whether m is greater or the value of n is greater or m and n are equal. Okay, so when this printf statement will get executed, the if condition is satisfied, this printf will get executed. This printf will get executed when the condition is not satisfied. In the else if part, we have specified one condition. If this condition is satisfied, this printf statement will get executed. When the else part will executed, when both the conditions specified in if and else if is not satisfied, automatically the else part will get executed. In the next video, we will discuss some of the example for other control statements.